called as glycolysis. 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 Previously, it is also called as glucolysis. Previously, it is also called as glucolysis. No, previously it is also called as glucolysis. Very simple. By seeing the name only, you can tell me what was going to happen, and at the same time, it is also called as EMP. It is also called as EMP pathway. It is also called as EMP pathway. Why it is called as EMP pathway? Because glycolysis was been exclusively studied by three people. That is Emden, Mayor of, and Paranas. Paranas. These three people studied exclusively on the glycolysis. So the name for the glycolysis or the glucolysis is given on these three people names also. EMP pathway. Emden, Mayor of, Paranas pathway. Very simple. Glucolysis. Glucolysis. Previously, it is used to call as glucolysis. Nowadays, it is not getting called as a glucolysis. It is getting called as a glycolysis. And by seeing the name, you can tell me what was happening. Very simple. Glucolysis means lysis means you already know. Lysis means you already know. That is a breaking down. Lysis means you already know. That is a breaking down. That is breaking down. And we are breaking what? We are breaking our respective glucose molecule. We are breaking our respective glucose molecule. So I mean, in the entire this all these things, we are going to break the glucose molecule now. In the entire thing, we are going to break down the very good Pujita. So this is the first point. I can carry them as a first point. And coming to your second point. So what is going to happen in the glycolysis means it is totally 10-step mechanism. It's a constant one. Is a 10-step mechanism. Glycolysis is a 10-step mechanism. It's a totally 10-step mechanism. पूरे कितने steps रहते बोले तो 10 steps रहते मा overall 10 steps are there. And moreover, for your neat point of view, you have to remember the enzymes. Enzymes के names जो भी आ रहे हैं ना हर एक reaction के what type of enzyme that you are going to get, you have to memorize all these enzymes because these enzymes can be asked. These enzymes can be asked, and for the sake of you people, what I did or what I where I studied from the higher textbooks or higher materials, I can divide glycolysis into two steps. I can divide glycolysis into two areas, into two stages. First one is called as investment phase. First one is called as investment phase. Second one is called as payoff phase or C phase. Very simple, ma. Let me tell you. It's a 10-step mechanisms, and from the neat point of view, you have to remember the enzymes names also. We will be seeing the enzymes. So for easily understanding करने के लिए higher textbooks, not your neat textbooks. In a higher textbooks, what they did means they divided the glycolysis into two areas, two stages. They divided the two phases. I can clearly say two phases. The first phase is called as a investment phase. Second phase is called as a payoff phase or the salary phase. In both of them, we will be having 5 steps. And the second one is also having 5 steps. So total 10, how many steps are there? Totally 10 steps are there. पूरे 10 के 10 steps है. 5 steps are given for the investment phase and 5 steps are given for the payoff phase or salary phase. So you may get the doubts. Investment phase बोलते क्या है? Payoff phase बोलते क्या है? Investment phase అంటే ఏంది? Payoff phase అంటే ఏందో మీకు లాజిక్ గా ఐడియా. I mean, you might get the doubt. If you see the stock market, stock market right now, seeing the news at the end of the news, he will be saying that a Bombay stock market has been this much, etc., etc. So what is this means? You try to invest your money. You try to invest your money. Like for example, you are investing 10 rupees. You are investing 10 rupees in a particular scheme. You are investing 10 rupees in a particular scheme. We will call this thing as a investing. And at the end of the day, that scheme has doubled your money and has given you 20 rupees more. That has given you 20 rupees more. That has given you 20 rupees. For example, you might have seen that movie called as Fir Hera Fairy, where the Akshay Kumar says that 25 दिनों में paisa double बोल के how he actually says. Same thing applies here also. Investing pays. You are investing how much money ma? You are investing 10 rupees. Investment कर रहे हैं. You are investing. This is called as investment. This is called as investment ma. This is called as investment. And you are investing in what? You are investing in a scheme. You are investing in a scheme, and at the end of the day, your money that you have invested, that is 10 rupees, it was doubled. How much you are going to get? You are going to get the 20 rupees, and this 20 rupees that you have got now, that is called as salary phase. That is called as salary phase or pay off phase. That is called as salary phase or pay off phase. Very very simple. आप लोग थोड़ा money invest कर रहे हैं, and at the end of the day, that money is getting doubled. And whatever the money that you have got is called it might be either called as a salary phase or it might be called as a payoff phase. So investment phase में कितने सारे steps हैं? पूरे 5 steps are there, and salary of payoff phase is also having how many steps? Means it is also having 5 steps. Are we clear, my anyone? Everyone, are we clear? Or are we still having any doubts in this thing? Very, very simple. For the sake of you people, glycolysis has been divided into 2 stages, 2 phases. One is called as investment phase, and the other one is called as pay off phase or salary phase. Investment phase में पैसे invest करेंगे, pay off phase में आपके पैसे double हो जाएंगे. आपके पैसे, what are the money you are going to get, and at the same time, not only double, you are going to get the bonus also. You people are going to get the bonus also. You people are going to get the bonus good asama bonus and the etc etc. But let me ask you one question. Here I'm using the money in the inside a sale also. Do we use the money? By जाके पैसे use कर ले 500 rupees दे के भाई जाके काम कर ले बोल के, do we use the money, real money inside a cell? Then what we actually use? And what we actually use inside a particular? Arpana very good, Pujita very good ma. No, try to tell me the original. Rakesh wrong. Yes ma, Pujita very good, Rakesh very good. Now Rakesh very good. Sridevi, glucose investment means here I'm using 10 rupees as a currency. Then what is the currency of a cell? The currency of a cell is called as a ATP. So we invest ATP in our respective investment phase. और पे ऑफ फेस में सैलरी फेस में आपके ATP डबल हो जाएंगे. If you are investing 2 ATP molecules, you will get 4 ATP molecules along with one bonus also. That bonus is called as a NADPH2. Along with the bonus called as a NADPH2. I hope you people are getting here. 2 stages are there: investment phase, payoff phase. इन्वेस्टमेंट फेज में आप पैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं एंड पे ऑफ फेज में आपका पैसे डबल हो जाएंगे. एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, यू आर गेटिंग बोनस आल्सो. आपका काम जो भी करे ना, आप अच्छा काम करे बोल के, you people are getting the bonus also. You people are getting the bonus also. So I hope up to here is very simple. I have divided your 10 steps and 5 steps in your investment phase and 5 steps in your respect to this one. So let us start the glycolysis. Now let us start the glycolysis. So these basics has been completed. Basics has been completed. Let us start the glycolysis. Or let me take the new page only. Fresh page. Let me take the fresh page. So we are going to take our first molecule called as glucose. We are going to take our first molecule called as glucose. Glucose is getting converted into glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate. It is getting converted into glucose 6 phosphate. And for the enzymes, I will use the green color pen. And in this case, the enzyme is called as hexokinase. The enzyme is called as a hexokinase. And the enzyme is called as a hexokinase. And what did I say now? I have said, and again, see, don't forget. Let me write down the heading here. Let me write down the heading. This is your investment phase, ma. This is your investment phase. This is your investment investment phase. This is your investment phase. पूरे कितने steps रहते हैं investment phase? For your information, it will be having 5 steps. It will be totally having 5 steps. मैं diagram को खराब नहीं करना. I don't want to damage this page, so I'm not drawing the steps. We'll see the steps. How many steps has been completed later. And investment phase, and moreover, what did I say? We will invest money. We will invest ATP molecules and Jepina, and we are using our ATP molecules in the first step only. ATP molecule, we are using the ATP molecules in the first step only. So ATP getting converted into the ADP, and we are converting glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, and the presence of an enzyme called as a hexokinase. In the presence of an enzyme called as hexokinase, we are converting glucose molecule. We are converting glucose molecule to glucose 6-phosphate. And here is your money investment. Salary invest करना, पैसे invest करना बोल के बोला ना. In the first step itself only we are investing money. In the first step itself only we are investing the money. And this is your first step. This is your first step. In the first step itself only we are investing the money. So coming to your next step, glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate will get converted into, very simple, will get converted into fructose 6-phosphate. So can anyone give me a clue what type of enzyme we might be using here? What type of enzyme and what class they might be belonging to? What class they might be belonging to? Glucose 6-phosphate getting converted into fructose 6. अम्मा don't try to do Google. माँ Google करके मत आओ. Don't उतना Google करके textbook देख के बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Glucose 6-phosphate is getting converted into fructose 6-phosphate, and I'm asking you what type of enzyme might be doing this reaction, and at the same time that enzyme belongs to which class. And for your information, no one is giving me the answer. Still no one is giving me the answer. Still no one is giving me the answer. I'm asking you what was the enzyme name. Still no one is giving the answer. What that practice, ma? Still no one is. Ligase, why ligase is, ma? For me, I've said it you like number of times that glucose and fructose are isomers. They are isomers, ma. Ekkada cheppina ante Kelvin cycle. During the Kelvin cycle, I clearly mentioned you that both of them are isomers. Then what type of enzyme might be here? What type of enzyme might be here, ma? What type of enzyme might be here? Very good, ma. Prachi. Now you got the point here. చెప్పండి, what type of enzyme? Only one person is able to tell the answer. Google करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, now you got the answer. Now you got the answer, ma. Very good, ma. Very, very good, ma. Now you got the answer. Because see, glucose and fructose are isomers, ma. Glucose and fructose are isomers, and the enzyme which is doing these type of reactions, na, converting the glucose to fructose, isomerization, जो भी कर रहे ना, that enzyme will definitely belonging to the isomerase. And again, which class means, if the question comes in your NEET, then which class does it belong to? Means I think it is a 5th class. Isomerase enzymes, whatever these enzymes are, they belongs to the 5th class. Very good, ma. So the enzyme which is green color should take the that is phosphohexose isomerase. The enzyme name here is the isomerase, ma'am. The phosphohexose isomerase. So the first enzyme is the hexokinase, and the second enzyme is the phosphohexose isomerase. So second step is also completed, ma'am. Second step is also completed. Glucose getting converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate is getting converted to fructose 6-phosphate, and in this case we are not utilizing any ATPs. We are simply converting one isomer into another isomer. Structure change कर रहे, glucose का structure change करके fructose में डाल दे रहे, and we are just changing the simply glucose to fructose, and with the help of an enzyme, phosphohexose isomerase. Isomerase means you already know. The enzyme name isomerase means you already know. Hexose means is a 6-carbon compound. Hexose is a 6-carbon compound. Glucose is a 6-carbon compound. Fructose is a 6-carbon compound. And why we are adding phosphate? Because phosphate is added there. Phosphate is added at the 6th carbon. Let me draw the structure of this glucose 6-phosphate. 3 carbons, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. And the phosphate is attached at the 6th carbon. phosphate is attached. And again you get the doubt where the hell this phosphate came from. This phosphate is came in the first step. Deklo ek baar first step mein deklo, there was ATP is there getting converted into the ADP. Means one IP is being removed, one phosphate is removed and added into this particular thing. That was happened during the first step. वाला first step में हुआ. That was happened in the first step. I hope up to here is very simple. I hope up to is very simple. Now the next step is going to be a little bit more interesting. The next step is going to be a little bit more interesting. Fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, and the enzyme which is doing this thing, and the enzyme which is doing this thing, the enzyme which is doing this thing is a phosphofructokinase. Phosphofructokinase. And now let me ask you: are we going to use any ATP molecules in this reaction? Are we going to use any ATP molecules in this reaction? By seeing your reaction or step देख लेके मुझे बोल सकते कि आप लोग whether we are going to use any ATP molecules in this reaction or not. यहाँ पर ATP molecules. Prachi, Pujita, tell me the answer. Priyanka, Soumya, tell me the answers. Whether we are going to use any ATP molecules in this reaction or not. Fructose 6 phosphate is there, and it is getting converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. It is getting converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. So the answer is, some people are saying, Priyanka very good ma. Priyanka very good. You proved yourself ma. Priyanka very good. Swati very good ma. Swati very good ma again. The answer is yes ma. The answer is yes. Let me show you a structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And phosphate is attached at the sixth carbon, and this one is called as a fructose 6 phosphate. And now go and see your respective this carbon, say 3, 4, 5, 6. And fructose 1,6 bisphosphate means phosphate group is attached at where and where? Phosphate group is attached at the first carbon and the sixth carbon. In this case, phosphate group is attached at the sixth carbon only. This is getting converted into fructose 1,6 phosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Bisphosphate is saying bis phosphate means phosphate is present at the two areas. Phosphate का जो भी ग्रुप है ना वो दो एरियाज पे है, एंड वो कहाँ पर है बोले तो दैट इज 1,6 दिस इज योर बेसिक केमिस्ट्री, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट ईयर लोने कंप्लीट అవుతామా benzene, butene, etc. I don't know how many of people remember that one. 1,6 again he's saying 1,6 means phosphate group is attached at the first carbon and the sixth carbon. And where the hell you got this one again? From where the hell you will be getting this one? Where the hell you are going to get this one means if the ATP comes and donating its inorganic phosphate, then only you are going to get that one. Then only you are going to get that particular phosphate group at the first carbon also. So the answer is yes, phosphate is attached. Phosphate is answer is yes, ATP. We are utilizing the ATP again. We are utilizing the ATP molecule again. We are utilizing the ATP molecule. That's it, ma. As I said, investment phase में दो ATP molecules use करते बोल के बोला हमें. In the investment phase, we are going to utilize two ATP molecules, and where we are utilizing the ATP molecules means we are utilizing the ATP at the first step and the third step. That's it. At the first step and third step only, and still investment phase is not completed. 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 Then fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, which is entering into your three steps has been completed, which is entering into a fourth step. Then what will happen means fructose 1,6 bisphosphate break down. It breaks down into one as a DHAP and the another as a G3P. सुने जैसा लग रहा ना ये दो molecules. You might have studied these two molecules. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Whatever this molecule is there, whatever this molecule, let me first of all write down the enzyme name. Enzyme name is aldolase. Enzyme name is aldolase. So fructose 1,6 bisphosphate in the presence of an enzyme is getting converted into two compounds. First compound is called as the DHAP. First compound is called as a DHAP and second compound is called as a G3P. These compounds we have seen in your Kelvin cycle. What does DHAP stands means? It stands for the dihydroxy acetone phosphate. G3P means glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It's a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It's a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is your fourth step, ma'am. Getting conversion of the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate to DHAP and G3P. And one more information. Let me write down this one everywhere. Uh, the respective glucose is a 6-carbon compound. It's a 6-carbon compound. Glucose 6-phosphate is also a 6-carbon compound. It's also 6-carbon compound. And fructose 6-phosphate is also 6-carbon compound. It is also 6-carbon compound. And fructose 1,6 is also 6-carbon compound. It is also 6-carbon compound. When it comes to this respective these two molecules, DHAP is a 3-carbon compound and G3P is also a 3-carbon compound. It is also 3-carbon compound. Why? Because everywhere this type of questions can be asked. DHAP is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate. 6-carbon compound molecule broken down. 6-carbon compound molecule broken down into 3-carbon compound and 3-carbon compound. It got broken down into 3-carbon compound and 3-carbon compound. One is called as dihydroxy. This is a fourth step, and the last step. What is going to happen is that the dihydroxyacetone phosphate is getting converted into the G3P. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate is getting converted into the. What would be the enzyme in this category? Tell me. DHAP G3P में convert होने वाला है. We got one molecule of DHAP and we got one molecule of G3P. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate got broken down into two molecules. One is called DHAP and the other one is called as G3P. Now I'm fifth step. What I'm trying to tell you is that fifth step में DHAP is getting converted into the G3P. Then what type of enzyme we might be utilizing here? Don't go and Google Google J Kundi. Don't try to even see your textbooks also. Don't try to say Pujita, what was happened with you is that you are not there during the Kelvin cycle. That's why you are not able to tell the answers. So if you are present during the Kelvin cycle, you might be able to tell the answers. There's a problem here. Prachi, up to where I know, Prachi has left the phone there and she gone. She just kept the phone there and she just lost. Or else she might have given to her sister, or else anyone other member, or else she might be doing the houseworks, etc. etc. She kept the phone there and she left one. And I don't know what was happening to Akshita, what you people are doing. మీరు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్లో యూట్యూబ్లో ఆడ ఈడ కష్ట సామాన్లు అనుకుంటా చూసుకుంటా పోండి రాకేష్ అండ్ అక్షిత. అదే కష్ట నాలెడ్జ్ మీ మైండ్లో ఉంటుందమ్మా. అదే కష్ట నాలెడ్జ్, దట్ డస్ట్బిన్ నాలెడ్జ్ దట్ విల్ బి కెప్టెడ్ ఇన్, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు యూస్ఫుల్ మా, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు యూస్ఫుల్ యూ అట్ ఆల్. Pujita might be able to say the answer, but she is not able to our time low. And Priyanka, all these people, they don't require, they just came here. They are IP people, they don't even require all these things. They are just here because us clubbed the class. వాళ్ళకి ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. ఎవరైతే ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలనో అది మీరే ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వడం లేదు. You people got to have to give the answer and you people not even able to give the answer. Rakesh, చూడురా ఇంకా చూడు. Try to watch on that day I have clearly mentioned you that DHAP and G3P are isomers. They are isomers and Chilka Chepina. Out of 10 G3P molecules which is produced in the Kelvin cycle, 4 will be converted. 4 molecules will be converted into the DHAP and Chepina. 4 molecules will be converted into the DHAP. Just go and check your notes. जाके notes check कर लो. Just go and check your notes. Out of 10 G3P molecules, 4 G3P molecules will get converted into the DHAP. Why they will be getting converted? There are also the enzyme, same enzyme, that is the aldolase enzyme only. If you are going and seeing, there also the enzyme name is the same thing, that is the aldolase enzyme. They are also same to same. Again, IP people, you also have to keep concentration because all those things are might be not necessary. But as I said, Kelvin cycle is an important 8 marks question. It's an important 8 marks question, and if you're not able to see that, you are not able to or etc. ఏదో నడుస్తుంది కదా నడవనియండి అన్నట్టు పోతూ ఉంటే then you people even might suffer. Okay ma, DHAP getting converted into the G3P. DHAP getting converted into the G3P. Let me take the triose phosphate isomerase. The enzyme name is the triose phosphate isomerase. Triose phosphate isomerase. Triose phosphate isomerase is the enzyme name. Triose phosphate isomerase is the enzyme name. So totally how many steps has been completed? Means totally 5 steps has been completed. Ma, let us go and see. Totally 5 steps has been completed. Let me take the yellow. This is your first step. This is your first step. Glucose getting converted into glucose 6 phosphate is your first step. Glucose 6 phosphate getting converted into fructose 6 phosphate is your second step. Is your second step. And third step, the third step, fructose 6 phosphate getting converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is your third step. Is your third step. And fructose 6 phosphate is getting converted into the DHAP and G3P is the fourth step. Is your fourth step. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate getting breaking down into DHAP and G3P is your fourth step. Is the fourth step. And the last step, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate getting converted into the G3P. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. See the arrow mark. I have drawn the arrow mark. They are isomers. They can be converted. They can be do the reversible reactions also. G3P को DHAP में convert कर सकते, DHAP को G3P में convert कर सकते, and you may get the doubt, sir, why we are not doing the opposite? G3P को DHAP में convert क्यों नहीं कर रहे? The simple point is that DHAP doesn't have any future. DHAP doesn't have any future, so that's why DHAP is getting converted into the G3P. It is getting converted into the G3P, and this is your fifth step, man. This is your fifth step. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate getting converted into the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is your fifth step. And what is the enzyme which is doing this reaction? That enzyme is called as a triose. Why triose? Why not hexose? Because triose, there's a 3 carbon compound. As there are 3 carbon compounds, that's why you are using the triose phosphate isomerase. So this is respectively your glycolysis investment phase. This is respectively your glycolysis investment phase. I hope up to here very simple. Up to यहाँ तक तो आपको आ गया, समझ में आ गया होगा. So at the end of this investment phase, what you people are having in your hand? आपका हाथ में क्या है बोले तो at the end of the investment phase, in your hand you are having 2 molecules of G3P. In your hand you are having 2 molecules of G3P. How you are having 2 molecules of G3P? Already you got one G3P molecule, and moreover DHAP is getting converted into the G3P again. So you will be having how many molecules of G3P at the end of the investment phase? You will be having 2 G3P molecules. You will be having 2 G3P molecules. 2 G3P molecules. You will be having 2 G3P molecules, and these 2 G3P molecules will now enter into the payoff phase. Will now enter into the payoff phase. Now will now enter into the payoff phase. Will now enter into the salary phase. Payoff phase or salary phase. Second one is the payoff phase or salary phase. Same thing. That is your respective how many G3P molecules are there? 2 G3P molecules are there. 2 G3P molecules are there, and these 2 G3P molecules will get converted into 2 molecules of 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 1, 3 bisphosphoglycerate. Phosphoglycerate. 1, 3 bisphosphoglycerate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is getting converted into 1, 3 bisphosphoglycerate. And in this case, you are getting something good. In this case, you are getting some good things. As I said in the last class, like 5 minutes ago, salary phase में आपको along with your returns, you people are going to get your bonus also, and in this first step only you are going to get your bonus. What is this bonus means? That is a NADH2. Your bonus is your NADH2. And how many NADH2s you are going to get? You are going to get 2 NADH2 molecules. You are going to get 2 NADH2 molecules. Why? Why? Because you are having 2 G3P molecules. As you are having 2 G3P molecules, let me write everywhere as into 2 into G3P, 2 into this one also, or even try to wind up yourself. So NADH2 and the enzyme which is doing this reaction is glyceraldehyde phosphate dehydrogenase. Glyceraldehyde, glyceraldehyde, glyceraldehyde phosphate dehydrogenase, phosphate dehydrogenase. Very, very simple. G3P molecules, how many are there means 2 G3P molecules getting converted into the 2 molecules of a 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. And in this reaction, what you are going to get means in this reaction, you are going to get the respective NADH2 molecule. That is your respective bonus molecule. That is your respective bonus molecule. And in the next step, very interesting one, next step, 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is getting converted into the 3 phosphoglycerate, 3 phosphoglycerate, 3 phosphoglycerate, 3 phosphoglycerate, and in this case you are going to get your investment backs. And in this case you are going to get your investment backs. That is a ATP molecule is getting produced now. ATP molecule is getting produced, and the enzyme which is doing this one is a phosphoglycerate kinase. Phosphoglycerate kinase. Phosphoglycerate kinase. So you got your salary, you got your first salary, you got your first salary. And how many ATP molecules you are going to get in this case also means you are going to get 2 ATP molecules. So 2x, here 2x means how many molecules it is representing means 2 molecules है बोल के meaning है, 2 molecules है बोल के meaning है वहाँ पर. Don't go in any other way. Let me write down the reactions first. Let me write down the reactions first. 3 phosphoglycerate is getting converted into 2 phosphoglycerate. 3 में से 2 को लेके आ रहे, 2 phosphoglycerate, 2 phospho phos phospho phosphoglycerate, 2 phosphoglycerate, 3 में से 2 को phosphoglycerate, and the enzyme which is doing this reaction is called as a enolase. Sorry, it's not enolase, it's mutase actually. It's actually mutase. Is the enzyme which is doing this reaction is called as a mutase. The enzyme which is doing this reaction, let me complete this reaction also. How many means you will be having 2x again, 2x are 2 molecules, and 2 phosphoglycerate molecule is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. कहाँ पर सुने ये molecule phosphoenol pyruvate? Where we have seen this molecule, phosphoenol pyruvate molecule? 2x again, because we are having 2 molecules of phosphoenol pyruvate. And the enzyme which is doing this one is called as a enolase. And the enzyme which is doing this reaction is called as a enolase. The enzyme which is doing this reaction is called as a enolase. Let me write down the last step. Phosphoenol pyruvate is getting converted into the pyruvate. Is getting converted into the pyruvate molecule. Is getting converted into the pyruvate, and you will be having 2 pyruvate molecules. And when it is getting converted, the enzyme name here is pyruvate kinase. Pyruvate kinase, and at the same time you're getting your second salary also, second bonus, second thing also, that is a ATP. Okay, first of all let me see your entire thing. First starting से explain करने के try करूँगा. Everyone listen me carefully. Everyone listen me carefully. 2 molecules of G3P was there. 2 molecules of G3P. From where the hell we got this G3P molecules means from the investment phase we got this G3P molecules. 2 molecules of G3P. 2 molecules of G3P getting converted into the 2 molecules of 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Very, very simple. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. And during this time, you are getting your bonus. ये reaction में आपको आपका bonus मिल रहा है. You are getting your bonus called as a NADH2 molecule. This is having heavy amount of usage ma. NADH2 molecule आ रहा है. And the same time, let me write down this one also. This is your first step. This is your sixth step. According to the glycolysis, this is your sixth step. And in payoff phase or salary phase, में first step है. So when you come and see your second step, two molecules of 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate getting converted into the 3-phosphoglycerate. It's getting converted into phosphoglycerate. And how many molecules you are having? Two molecules. And what is the enzyme name? Phosphoglycerate kinase. Is an enzyme name called as a phosphoglycerate kinase. And in this thing, you are going to get your first salary. You are going to get first salary. That is called as a ATP molecules. You are going to get the ATP, and which step it is means that is your seventh step. That is your seventh step. That is your seventh step. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate, and the third step is deadly easy. So eighth step is deadly easy. 3 phosphoglycerate is there. We are just moving the carbon compound. We are just moving the carbon compound. Let me draw this one. This is a 3 carbon compound, and phosphate is attached at the third carbon. And what you are doing means very simple. This is a 3 carbon compound, and you have moved your phosphate group to the second carbon. You have just moved your phosphate group to the second carbon. Now, जो भी वो eighth step है, whatever this eighth step is there, in this eighth step, you did nothing. We just moved the phosphate group from the third position to the second position. This is your third position. Just see I'm pointing out with the laser. This is your third position. यहाँ का phosphate group निकाल के where we have added to the second group, and this is done in the presence of the mutase. And that's why we are not getting any ATP molecules, as we are just moving the phosphate groups. And in the next step, what was happening? Two phosphoglycerate you are having. The 2-phosphoglycerate molecule is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. Is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. Is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. That 2-phosphoglycerate molecule is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate, and in the presence of an enzyme called as a enolase. And as I already asked you a question, where the hell we have seen this phosphoenol pyruvate? Quickly tell me the answers. Where you have? This molecule we have seen in your C4 cycle. This molecule we have seen in your C4 cycle as PEP molecule, phosphoenol pyruvate molecule. याद आया होगा? This is a primary acceptor of CO2. This is a primary acceptor of CO2 molecule in your C4 cycle, where the carbon dioxide mixes with the pepper and going to produce a organic acid, oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4 carbon compound. Which is a 4 carbon compound. So we are very simple. 2-phosphoglycerate molecule is getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. And how many molecules you are having means two molecules. X means a multiple lemma. Two molecules are there. And last step, and this is which step means this is your ninth step. This is your ninth step. And the last step, phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate getting converted into the pyruvate molecule. Phosphoenol pyruvate getting converted into the pyruvate, and in the presence of an enzyme called as pyruvate kinase. And in this, you are going to get your respective ATP molecules. In this respective, you are going to get your ATP molecules, and this is your 10th reaction. This is your 10th step. Now tell me, let me ask you some questions. At what and what steps you are going to get ATP molecules? कहाँ पर आपको ATP molecules मिले? What and what step you got your ATP molecules? What and what steps you have got your ATP molecules? कहाँ पर आपको ATP molecules मिले? In this entire area, where and where you got your ATP molecules? In this entire area, where and where you have got your ATP molecules. Very good, ma. That is the 7th step and the 10th step. Ma. This is a constant one, ma. Let me guarantee you. 7th step దగ్గర 10th step దగ్గర మాత్రమే మీకు మీ ATP molecules వస్తాయి. Never ever go for 6th, 8th, 9th step. You always have to remember this is a constant one and this is not going to change at all. That is, they are present. The ATP production will always happen at the 7th step and the 10th step only, and it will never ever will be getting produced in any other areas. As you can clearly see, 7th step dekh lo, 1,3. And let me draw the diagram. where you are. డైలీ ఇది ఒక పని అయిపోయిందమ్మా, మిమ్మల్ని మ్యూట్ చేసుడు, అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తారు, మ్యూట్ చేయడం, అది పెద్ద కథ అయిపోయింది. సో let me draw the structure, let me draw the structure. This is a 3 carbon compound now, having the same 3 carbon compound now, and phosphate group is attached at the third and this one, and this one, in this case this is this one. So whatever the one P has been removed, that P will be added to the ADP, and it will lead to the production of IP, ADP, and ADP plus IP leads to the production of ATP. Just I'm showing you the seventh step. Seventh step में दिखा in a normal structure. Seventh step is a 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate means phosphate is attached at the first carbon and is attached at the third carbon. So it is getting converted into what? It is getting converted into the 3 carbon compound having the phosphate at the third carbon only. So one phosphate has been removed, and that phosphate will be added to the ADP. It will be added to the ADP, where it will be getting converted into the ATP. It will be getting converted into the ATP. It will be getting converted into the ATP. It will be getting converted to the ATP. So very simple, very simple. Now here comes the original thing. This is your payoff phase or salary phase now. This is your payoff phase or salary phase. Now tell me total how many ATPs you have got in the entire payoff or salary phase. In your entire payoff phase or salary phase. Let me revise once again. G3P are there, 2 molecules of G3P getting converted into 2 molecules of 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate, and that 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is getting converted into 3 phosphoglycerate. 3 phospho is getting converted into 2 phosphoglycerate. 2 phospho getting converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate, and where we have seen the phosphoenol pyruvate means in the C4 cycle. Phosphoenol pyruvate molecule getting converted into the pyruvate molecule. Last one is a pyruvate molecule, and every time you have to use 2 molecules because you are having 2 G3P molecules. And I'm asking you one question, that how many ATPs has been produced so far? Very good, Mapujita. How many ATPs has been produced? Rakesh, mind karab in the end. Swatima, what happened to you again? How many ATPs has been produced? Priyanka, very good. Prachi, very good. Akshita, very good. Soumya, very good. No? I'm asking you how many ATP. Swati, again, don't do the mistake. Don't do the same sort of mistake. Try to see your Amma 2 molecules of 1,3. So that's a mistake that you'll do. Okay, that's problem now. 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. If it is one molecule is getting converted into this molecule, then you will be having the 1 ATP. But you are having how many molecules, my here? You are having 2 molecules getting converted into 2 molecules of this. Then how many ATP molecules you will expect? You will be expecting 2 ATP molecules. You will be expecting 2 ATP molecules. ఒక కాంపౌండ్ ఇంకో కాంపౌండ్ కన్వర్ట్ అయితే ఒక ఏటీపీ వస్తుంది. అదే రెండు కాంపౌండ్లు ఇంకొక రెండు కాంపౌండ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ అయితే రెండు ఏటీపీ మాలిక్యూల్స్ వస్తాయి అమ్మా. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ దట్ లాజిక్. Don't forget that logic. Rakesh, I hope you understand now. Rakesh, I hope you understand now. So 2 ATP molecules, and at the end of the 9th step also, 10th step also, as I'm saying 10th step, how many ATP molecules in the 10th step also? You are going to get the 2 ATP molecules, because you are having 2 molecules, 2 molecules of this and this. So 2 molecules getting converted into 2 molecules means you'll be getting 2 and 2 ATP molecules more. So at the end, so let me write down here with a red color pen. Total value is equal to 4 ATP molecules. And tell me how many NADPH2 molecules has been produced? How many NADPH2 has been produced? How many NADPH2 has been produced? How many? Akshita, again, see, that's a mistake. Put in clear cut. Just now I have mentioned you clear cutedly. Just now I have clear cutedly mentioned you. Again, you are doing the same mistake. Soumya, very good. Akshita, no, okay. Arpana, okay. Pujita, okay. Sridevi, okay. Just go and see your structure, mama. Just go and see your structure. In this case, if this is the 2 molecules, if this is the 2 molecules getting converted into these 2 molecules, then the NADP ratio also 2 way untai kada, mom. Then you will be getting the, just I have drawn the 2 means doesn't mean that you're not having this one, mom. There is a 2 NADP ratio. There is a 2 NADP ratio. So how many NADP ratio means 2 NADP ratio. NADP ratio. This is this one, mom. But certain times what will, this is the total value now. Sometimes can be asked what is the net value. Net value means you have to see the future area also. future area. You have to see the future area also. You have to see the future area also. So what will be in this case means future area means your net value means you have to see the subtractions also. You have to see the subtractions. You have to see the those things also. దిస్ వన్ రైట్ మా ఇది చూసినట్టున్నారు మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నాలెడ్జ్ కదా మనది రాకేష్ అండ్ అక్షిత టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నాలెడ్జ్ కాబట్టి సేమ్ అదే వేసుకుంటూ పోయినారు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో అది కనబడ్డది నెట్ వాల్యూ కనబడ్డది కాబట్టి ఇది వేసుకుంటూ పోయినట్టున్నాను డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ కెన్ గ్యారంటీ యూ మ్యామ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ కెన్ గ్యారంటీ యూ net value means you have to see the losses also. So how means in the net value you will be having the two ATPs and you will be having the two NADPH2s. You will be having the two NADPH2s. You may ask me, sir, why net value is the two ATPs? Because out of four ATP molecules, you have used a certain two ATP molecules. You have used a two ATP molecules. పైన ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఫేజ్ లో టూ ఏటీపీ మాలిక్యూల్స్ పెట్టిన కదమ్మా గుర్తుందా పైన టూ ఏటీపీ మాలిక్యూల్స్ పైన పెట్టిరు కదమ్మా పైన లెట్ మీ టేక్ టు దిస్ వన్ దిస్ ఫేస్ మా this phase go and see your this phase here as you have invested two ATP molecules. Net value means net value, let me tell you what is meant by net value. Net value means you have to just see your profit ma. You have to just see your profit. Net value means you have to just see your profit as you have spent two ATP molecules in the investment phase. Just you have to remove the two ATP molecules, and how many ATP molecules means will be left over with the two ATP molecules and two NADPH2. I mean, if you are investing two ATP molecules, then what is the original net value? What is the profit that you are getting? What is the profit? You are just investing two ATP molecules में starting लो दो ATP molecule invest कर रहे तो आपका net value या profit पूरा कितना है? The answer is two ATP molecules and two NADH2 molecules में. The answer is the two ATPs and the two NADH2 molecules में. Very very simple. दो ATP invest कर रहे तो आपका profit पूरा कितना है? Profit क्या है बोलते two ATPs and two NADPH2. If a person comes and asks you like what is the net value, then you have to say two ATPs and two NADPH2. But if a person comes and asks you the same question, then what is the total value of glycolysis? What is the total profit you are going to get? That in that case you have to say four ATPs and two NADH2. पूरे कितने सारे ATPs प्रोड्यूस हो रहे बोले तो 4 ATPs प्रोड्यूस होना हो रहे बोल के बोलना होगा మొత్తం ఎన్ని ATPs ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే 4 ATPs ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతున్నాయి అని చెప్పాలి 4 ATPs produce అవుతున్నాయని చెప్పాలి and 2 NADPH2. And if a person comes and asks you what is the net value, what is your profit, then in that case you have to say 2 ATPs and 2 NADPH2. In that case you have to say 2 ATPs. And what is your this one ma? This is your respective end product. What is that product is called? This product is called as a pyruvate molecule. Let me tell you what was happening with your pyruvate molecule. Uh, let me tell you what is going to happen with this particular, this is the end product of pyruvate molecule, and this end product will now is ready to enter into your respective powerhouse of the cell, is now ready to enter into the powerhouse of the cell now. Is now ready to enter into the powerhouse of the cell. Pyruvate is your end product in the glycolysis, and what did I said in the starting class? Glycolysis takes place in the what, in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm में आपको दो ATP profits हो रहे, दो NADPH2 आ रहे, and at the same time end product is a pyruvate molecule, and that pyruvate molecule will enter into mitochondria where it will be performing Krebs cycle. Where it will be performing Krebs cycle. Where it will be performing Krebs cycle. Very simpler ma. Either you might be able to see investment phase or payoff phase, whatever the method that I use it, you can follow this method. And don't write in the exams ma, don't write down this one. This is our technique. This is our technique for the NEET or MCET. Technique మాత్రం రాయకుండి. ఏ టెక్నిక్ అంటే ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ పే ఆఫ్ అని రాయకుండి. You have to just see your entire thing as a 10 for the sake of understanding. For the sake of understanding, I made to divide the 10 steps into 5 and 5. 5 kept it under the investment, remaining 5 kept it under the payoff phase. Exam no matram poi IP, if you are writing the exams in the IP, this is the investment phase, this is the payoff phase, because they are not giving you a textbook. They are not giving you textbook. మీరు రాసే వాడు కూడా అర్థం కాదు. So he will be able to cut down the answer. 10 steps మాత్రం రాయండి. Directly you have to in the exam. Directly you have to write on this all these 10 steps along with the enzymes, along with the where we are expecting the ATPs. From the NEET point of view, you have to understand. You have to name. You have to remember the enzymes names. From the MCET point of view and NEET point of view, you have to remember the enzymes names. you have to remember where and where ATP molecules are getting produced, and where ATP is getting utilized, कौन से reactions में ATP utilize हो रहे वहाँ पर एक देखना होगा, and where you are getting the NADPH to production. Sixth step, it's the sixth step. NADPH is getting produced, and what was the end product? End product is a pyruvate molecule. All these things you have to see. All these things you have to see, and where the glycolysis is taking place. That is, it is taking place in the side. Both are questions, man. Number of questions can be asked in the respect to glycolysis alone only. That's it, ma. That's it for today. I'm giving you like 2 minutes time. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. I'm just zooming in out. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. If you're having any doubts in this respective thing. Sorry. So if you're having any doubts, you can ask me. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me in this case. Giving you like 2 minutes time. After that, I will be leaving the class. After that, I will be leaving the class. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. చూపిస్తాం. No need to worry. చూపిస్తాం. I will show you. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Now, this is the simplest way to understand investment phase and payoff phase. Investment phase and payoff phase. Already I wasted 10 minutes. 10 minutes the investment phase and payoff phase. This is your investment phase and payoff phase. Just try to do revision.